With Eid al-Adha, also known as Bakrid, around the corner, Bengaluru residents are facing unprecedented challenges as livestock prices have skyrocketed by at least 50%. Extreme heat and water scarcity have led to a significant decline in sheep and goat populations, causing prices to surge dramatically. Rayappan, a livestock trader from Tumakuru, reported a drastic reduction in his livestock due to heat stroke, with only 90 sheep and 65 goats surviving out of 250. The price of sheep, which ranged from Rs 15,000 to Rs 20,000 previous year, has now escalated to Rs 30,000 to 50,000. The most substantial animals, weighing up to 70 kg, can cost up to Rs 70,000. Chamarajpet, the city's hub for the sheep trade, has seen a significant drop in activity. Nagaraju, a seller from Ballari, noted that he managed to bring only 40 sheep this year, selling merely 8 in the past 2 weeks. The price surge has affected residents deeply. Shoaib Khan from RT Nagar had to pay Rs 60,000 for 2 sheep this year, double the previous year's price. Similarly, Shazia Banu from Chamarajpet paid Rs 80,000 for a Jamunapuri goat, up from 30,000 rupees previous year. Sudhir Krishna, a veterinarian, explained that livestock are highly susceptible to heat stroke, which compromises their immune systems and can lead to severe weight loss or even death. He emphasized the need for cool water and shade to mitigate these effects. The rising prices have made it difficult for many families to partake in traditional Bakrid rituals and celebrations.